Hey, Vies amazing cook chefs! How are we doing, guys? Here we go! I will be making tuna pasta, very quick and easy. Okay, let's now start. And here's the ingredients, guys. 1 cup of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of oil. There you go. 1 cup of tuna, salt and pepper, 1/4 grams of pasta, spaghetti pasta, guys. Okay, quick melt cheese, parsley, garlic, 1 tomato, diced tomato, guys. This is fresh, guys, and green bell pepper. Also, we'll be needing onion. Okay, garlic also. Okay, we will be combining these ingredients, pasta. Okay, the onion. Of course, the bell pepper. Fresh tomatoes. Garlic. And then fresh parsley, guys. Don't forget, guys, to clean your hands before preparing the food. Okay, let's now add the oil. Then let's cover this with water. Let's now cook this for 15 minutes on a medium heat, guys. Okay, if it's boiling already, let's add the salt and pepper. And then add in the tomato sauce. Okay, stir for a while. And then cover it for a few minutes, guys. Now, guys, the sauce is already thickened. Meanwhile, let's now add the tuna. Stir for a while. I hope you're loving this recipe, guys. Easy to follow, right? There you go. I think this is the time for us to add the grated cheese, melted cheese. Now, I'm going to scoop for you guys. And finally, I will top this with banana ketchup for added flavor, guys. This is optional, guys. No, this is very best for any time of the day. I hope you enjoy watching it and recreating this recipe. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time. Don't forget to please subscribe and share it to your friends. Bye-bye!